What's up, guys? Welcome back. And today what we're gonna be doing to my Genesis is this is long overdue.
You got that right.
This thing I got it back in like March or April, like when I first got the car. And what it is the I don't even know what it's called exactly, but the aux cord replacement, I guess I'm gonna call it. And this little piece goes inside my console because the one that my car came with didn't work anymore, and I kind of need my music. So I ordered this piece off of Amazon back in like April, and I just never put it in. So I think it's finally time to have my own aux cord in my car. Alright, so the first thing that you want to do is, either if you have a manual or automatic, is take off your shift knob. So it just unscrews. Alright, and just put this in a safe place for now. Alright, and then the next thing that you want to do is you want to start popping off these side panel things. So you should use one of those plastic popper pieces, but I don't got one of those, so I guess a screwdriver is gonna have to do. So I think you start with this one. And then I guess you start working your way around. So you're probably gonna need to do this one, and then this bolt right here, you're gonna need to take that one off because that is connected to here, I'm pretty sure. And also what you want to do, I don't know if you want to. If you want, maybe you can take the stuff that's in your console here, just take it out. Probably make your life a little easier. Alright, so once you got these pieces off on the passenger side and driver's side, what I would probably recommend is to get your screwdriver or plastic, whatever you want to call it, just pop it right underneath here and get it around the gearbox or whatever you want to call it. Just pop this piece out. And I don't think that you're gonna need to take off this. I don't think so, but I'll let you guys know just to make sure. So once this piece is off, you're gonna want to pop it out from over here, and then take off this screw right here, and then on this side. And then you might need to put up your e-brake, because popping this whole piece off afterwards might be a little easier that way. Alright, so once you got out all these screws, the 4 in here, the one on this side, one on this side, and then the 2 bolts that are in here, these bolts are 10 millimeters, not surprising. And then once you have the screws off over here, these pieces just pop right off, and this whole piece should just be able to slide right up and out of your center here. Oh. And I totally forgot, right before you take all this out, there's gonna be a little plug in here. You just want to disconnect that. So once you have the centerpiece out, I mean, you don't have to, but I'm going to since it's out. I'm gonna clean out all in here because this looks disgusting. Like, I don't even know how this stuff gets in here, like a paper clip. Definitely the previous owner of this car was a girl, because there's all long hair in here. I mean, unless the guy had long hair, which I highly doubt.
Guys can't have long hair?
Never said that, just it was a girl. I know that. I did the best I could until I just ran out of patience. Just cleaning out in here, because I don't know what happened in there. But it was like all like brown stuff all over, and didn't smell so good. So I just used some Clorox wipes, wiped it down, used some paper towels. So the next thing that you want to do is you want to disconnect the old one from your console, and then plug in this one. So, alright, the first thing that you want to do is, if you haven't done it already, just make sure that your console is empty. And then we need to get underneath here, so that works. Try not to scrape it like I did. And if you come around this way, from what I think, this is the old one. Like, I don't even know how this came, but this should unplug from here, and the new piece should just pop right back in.
What are you doing?
Oh, my bad. Alright, so what you want to do is, before you put this in, make sure you have it in the right way. So, because I almost put it in backwards, so make sure that it's going to be going in this way. my old piece, it was just connected like this. Like, I don't even know what the previous owner tried doing, but it was connected in like this. So this piece right here disconnected from here, and then the new piece that I bought, I slid it through from the from inside the console and just popped it right through. Like, you're gonna hear a click because like these, like, there's two little clips on either side of here, and once that clicks in, this piece isn't going anywhere. And then from there, you just plug the regular wiring back into the back of here. So once you got that the new aux piece in, you should try and put this back in right to where it was before. So just slide that in, and make sure to connect that that piece right there together before you put this piece back in. This piece should just hopefully slide right back into place. Pop it down like Mr. Krabs, and then
Says the one wearing red.
yeah, my name's Mr. Krabs, and then these pieces just slid right back in. It was super easy.
Definitely not BMW. It was too easy.
Not a BMW. So you gotta put these 4 screws back in, two on one. I mean, rather one on this side, one on this side, and then
4 in the console.
and then the 2 that were in here. And let's come around this way. We'll come over here rather. Look at that, minty. These screws are back in, the 4 here, the one on this side, one on that side, and then, if you want to focus, the 2 bolts that are in there. And now we're just putting on the those little side panel thingies, as we call them. They just pop back in place. You just gotta give it a little bit of love. They can't do this with one hand. Let's try. Do a little tap. Something light. There we go. All right, that's in. So now this piece right here should just slide right back on before my camera dies.
Wrong way.
Wrong way. This piece should just slide right back in here. All right, it says we're connected, and let's just pull up a song. My boy. All right, so it's about time that I have my own aux cord in this thing. It only took me about 3 months to finally install it, but yeah. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I hope it's short again. This is like my 3rd time saying I hope it's short, and it's like wound up being like 8 minutes, which I never plan on videos being that long. But yeah, that's it. This is all in. Looks nice. Hopefully it lights up. Let's see. Yes, it does light up. Mint. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.